Newton's first law suggests that every material object continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless it is compelled to change by an opposite force.
Therefore, this washer will stay at rest except for when the wind blows on it.
Also, if I apply force to the object at rest, it will cause it to have motion.
Until air resistance eventually slows it down. Newton's second law explains that force equals mass times acceleration. Therefore, mass is inversely proportional to acceleration, while the force applied is directly proportional to the acceleration. Therefore, this can, which has a smaller mass, will accelerate faster than this can, which has a larger mass, when applied with the same force. The wind is applying an equal force on both these cans, but only the smaller one will accelerate because it has a smaller mass. As for the second part of the law, a greater force applied will also yield a greater acceleration. Therefore, when Frank hits this ball with a small hammer with a smaller force, the ball will not go as far as with a large hammer. And now here is with a greater force. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The force exerted by the balloon in a downward motion will actually cause the balloon to propel itself upwards against the pressure of the air due to Newton's third law. However, the force of gravity still causes it to eventually go to the ground. To conclude this presentation, Newton's first law states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, with a constant velocity unless acted upon by a net external force. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net external force acting on the object, and inversely proportional to the object's mass. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Some people call me the space cowboy. Yeah. Some call me the gangster of love. Some people call me Maurice, 'cause I speak of the pompatus of